treatment that I had done was having veneers put on, and what actually led it up to me having it done is I had orthodontic stuff done to my teeth when I was younger, but without wearing my night guard, my teeth eventually went back to its normal state. And as I got older, there was nothing that could be done without having orthodontic because my gums were not as well off as they should have been. And since I've had the work done, I mean, it's wonderful. I mean, I even told Dr. Smith my first week my tongue didn't know what to do because it was so busy searching in all the cracks and crevices, and now it's like there's nothing, and my tongue was just like hanging out, and I was like, oh, what do I do? So it's been wonderful. My whole mouth, as far as the whole feeling of it, it's been such calm and really conservative here, where before it was, certain parts of my teeth would poke out in certain areas, so my gums were hurting in certain places and so on and so forth.